The grand finale, Ratnagiri Jets, the defending champions, versus the Eagle Nashik Titans here at the MCA International Stadium in Gahunze in Pune.
नमस्कार, ये देखिए टीम्स किस तरह से हैं। आजिम काजी कैप्टन है रत्नागिरी जेट्स के, फटंगरे, चौगले, हिंग नेकर, द खिलनायक किरण चौरमले, साहिल चूरी.
Yes, that's the Ratnagiri Jets team. The Eagle Nashik Titans, Arshin Kulkarni, Mandar Bhandari, the two opening batters. Sahil Parakh, the player of the match yesterday night. Eagle Nashik Titans, they won the toss and they will be fielding first. That's the talk in the team huddle. Both the umpires are ready for the grand finale. Tonight, it's going to be a cracking of a match. Dheeraj Fatangare, the opening batter. 263 runs to him this season. Azim Kazi comes to open the innings since the last couple of matches. 281 runs to him this season.
The bowler Mukesh Chaudhary, he's been impressive in spells. 18 wickets to his name, a little bit expensive, 9.3 at the economy rate.
Nicely driven. Off the mark is Dheeraj Fatangare. Off the nicely driven away, the first boundary. Nicely hit over the infield. Dheeraj Fatangare.
6.
In the gap, sweetly timed. Trays down the leg side. Ball running away to the boundary. Oh, that's in the air. Fielder straight to him. That's a ploy.
Oh, that was there to hit. And so many times in this league we've seen the batters have got the lone field for a boundary. You must be disappointed. Gone for 8, 19 for 1.
First, 231 runs, that best of 59. Oh, nicely hit away, well timed. That'll clear the fence.
Did his job. खेल दिया उसे, बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से टाइम किया है. Boundary मिलेगी.
On that infield on the leg side. A loud appeal and given.
Got hit for a boundary of the previous delivery. Oh! The ball was still travelling, but the umpire was sure it was hitting the leg stump, and he should be happy. The ball नहीं और उनको विकेट लेके दी. Hinganeker gone for 4. It's 32 for 2 now.
But that's a surprise promotion here. Satyajit Bachao.
That's how that dream somewhere took place. That'll be 4. Was looking to go over mid-off.
Power play. Satyajit Bachao sent to attack, and this time nicely taken there. Skipper Prashant Solanki.
Fabulous catch. Satyajit Bachao departs for 5. He's sporting for 3 wickets.
In comes Kiran Chormale. 143 runs for him this season. The strike rate of 145.
And that's what I did. And that's what I know. That's a lovely shot.
That Prashant Solanki is bowling today. He's flighting it. In the gap, and also another boundary. So it's back-to-back boundaries for
Hari Sawant to continue, gone. The set batter, Dheeraj Fatangare.
to really alter his length and quicker through the air. Just the bottom edge and playing on to the stumps.
Yeah, he's a bowler you don't step out to because he's going to bring the... And Fatangare was batting well, paid the price, gone for 27. So many times in this league we've seen Fatangare getting a good start. This is...
On this pitch, and plus it's a final. Super shot here. Outstanding shot.
Look to turn every single delivery. This is good counter-attack batting by Kiran Chormale. Going against the spin, he was in the slot.
For the dot balls. Here's the call, but that's so sweetly timed. Oh, occupied by fans. High up and handsome on the top of the stand.
Cow corner. Full toss gain. ये भी कमाल का शॉट. 1 विकेट जाने के बाद ये हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल. यहाँ पे विकेट बन सकती है. ओहो, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट पर कैच पकड़ा मुकेश चौहान.
Kiran Sormale out on 35, 100 for 5, Ratnagiri Jets. New batter in is Nikhil Naik. That strike rate, 181. Hits it hard in typical Nikhil.
There he goes, nicely connected. Abhishek Pawar showing some power. Over extra cover, 6 runs. Goes for it again. A little finer fielder. What a catch! Beautiful.
And an important wicket. 28 for Abhishek Pawar. 100 and
Again, the outside off stump. Yorker playing it fine.
इनका बैट चलने वाला है. फिर से चला और फिर से 4. These
133 for 6. Akshay Vaikar, the left arm spinner. Last over of his spell. Oh, what a shot, Nikhil Naik.
exactly what he needs to do. Oh, that's a bad delivery. A full toss. Taking advantage of that. Pressure. You can see pressure. Churi gone for 8. 147 for 7.
In comes Vaibhav Chaugule. Nikhil Naik still at the north. Will be opening, of course. The impact player sticking to that length and gets the wicket. Outside the off stump, Yorker works straight to Akshay Vaikar.
Slower delivery. Slower Yorker. Couldn't time it. And the good it won't be an end. Gone for 2. Chocolate 153 for 8. Has he got 116? Mind he has! Fabulous hit! He will be satisfied with that hit. This is the score we were talking about. This game is over.
27 of 21. Kazi, Hingnekar, Satyajit Bachao was sent up. All 3 of them missing out on that big inning. Kiran Sormale did well, 35-23, 25 the skipper. Picked up a wicket conceding 35. Akshay Vaikar was a little expensive, none for 37. Arshin Kulkarni, the only over that he bowled, came in as the impact player.
Factor going ahead in the grand finale. Eagle Nashik Titans now. These players will get together. The defending champions, they are big match players, but also remember the centurion is going to be Abhishek Pawar has been substituted. His job with the bat is done. Kunal and Arshin Kulkarni. 298 runs this season for Arshin Kulkarni. Keeper batter. 13 matches, 284 runs, 150.
भी हो सकते थे. ठीक है, 160 final match. Not a bad total. The run is on.
Nicely bowled by Divyang Hingnekar.
बढ़िया लेट खेला यहाँ पर. चौका मिल सकता है. सिर्फ दिशा दिखाई.
Divyang Hingnekar gets that wicket. Outside edge, he was created.
Gone. Caught behind. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर. आगे डाली थी, स्विंग मिला और बड़े ड्राइव के तलाश में थे मंदार भंडारी. और यहाँ पर बड़ी मछली जाल में फंसाई. भंडारी 7 रन बना के पहले.
An early breakthrough provided by Divyang Hingnekar. Player of the match yesterday night, Sahil Parakh, who scored that.
रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं खेल रहे. ओ बोल्ड. दिव्यांग हिंगनेकर आता दूसरी विकेट. अंदर आई गेंद. बढ़िया स्विंग. बैट और पैड के बीच में से बोल्ड. साहिल.
Oh, Divyang Hingnekar on fire with that spell in the power play. Sahil Parakh returns back without opening his seamer. Divyang Hingnekar is making the ball talk. He's outside edge. Oh, dropped. Oh, that was a chance. That game altogether. Oh, once again, that movement. That
Oh, that's a good shot. There was room outside the off stump.
In his hand is going to be looking to pick up 4 wickets. He's going to be looking to pick up 4 wickets. That's his first one.
Like that. He's a good bowler. He's a smart bowler. He brings the ball in. This one coming into the batsman who had no answer to it. He can turn the ball as well. That's why I got this feeling in the morning. Ashotambe gone for 9 of 17 deliveries, 31 for 3.
Over. Well, here's the danger man for the Jets. Atharva Kale, 322.
इसमें कि भैया इस पिच पर भी बोल्ड इन थोरात कुणाल थोरात TNT 33 पर 4
Counter the left arm spinners. They've sent in the left-handed batsman Mukesh Chaudhary.
First over he bowled, picked up a wicket, not giving away any run. And this time again a chance with the big swing of playing the final in front of a pack house. Has he connected that well? Fielder comes under it, won't be able to hold on to that one. Gone! The left arm spinner shows his class. But last Satya.
No pressure on the bowler if you see this delivery. Normally you'll see a bowler trying to bowl a little short. Kale wanting to do the same thing. Gone for 15 of 18 balls. Now 58 for 5.
Second over, he picks up his second wicket. In comes Ranjit Nikam. Strike rate of 145.
Mighty heave. Fielder there. Thank you very much. In the second season, Nikam gone for 3. 6 down for 64.
Comes down the track. Oh, nice swing. Was it a gift offered by Satyajit Bachao to Mukesh?
Oh, he can hit. Really timed.
And that's gone. Looking for the big swing. Dhanraj Shinde finds.
Thorat has got to. No ball being checked. Well, whenever there is a check, first they check the no ball, and then that's gone out when you've got the facility. Out is the disappointed, gone for 279 for 7.
A spell of left arm spin bowling it has been from him. Another left arm spinner comes out to bat. Shinde, the last hope, but this is how he got out.
Yeah, I guess once the wickets start falling and you can sense that pressure building on the batsman as well, the belief, the body language of the bowling unit comes to that 160.
That's gone! Brilliantly hit. Nashik Titans. Or is it that hard? Will get a boundary. A 6
As well, so that they can feel some pressure as well. Couple of more strikes like that. Mukesh.
for his team. Oh, connected really well. That's a 6. We were talking about unfolding. Hits it nicely. Should get a couple of runs. Wants to come back. Could be close. Could be close. Just that moment. The umpire. It's close. Nikhil Naik. Yeah. Oh, yeah. As quick as always. Oh, youth. But Hari Sawant run out for 11. Eagle Nashik and the others to just rally around. Prashant Sul all had a wonderful evening, a wonderful 3 weeks, and this is connected really well. Once
Freedom to run the team how he wants, even the support staff. That's a big one. Mukesh Chaudhary was even the support staff, the coaches. As the owners of the side, what I understand.
for a spinner. And he's bowled him. That is another wicket for Satyajit Bachao. And the third time that he has picked up a four-wicket haul.
कमाल की गेंदबाजी ब्लॉक होल में डालना बतौर स्पिनर के लिए well played for his 50 of just 35 delivery, has to go back. It's
All. And Ratnagiri Jets have defended their title for the second successive year. Ratnagiri Jets have been crowned the champions of the Maharashtra Premier League. And as was said, ये टीम के कप्तान है आजिम काजी और रत्नागिरी जेट्स ने मारी है बाजी. Celebrations galore here at the MCA International Stadium in Gahunze in Pune. Well played, Ratnagiri Jets. The Jets flew high and they deserve this title. Cricket of the highest class.
देखिए इस टीम में जीत के खातिर जुनून. Outstanding inning once again, especially when a team needed it. Just goes to show the character of the side, the temperament of the players as well, rising to the occasion every single time that the side needed it. One of the players raised their
3 for 30. Hari Sawant 2 for 25 with his left arm spin. The Eagle Nashik Titans was set a target of 161 to win the final, but all they could do was score 136 for the loss of. Should we call him Lionel Messi? In that style, he comes with the trophy. Well played, well played, well played, Ratnagiri Jets. The champions of the first 2 seasons of the Maharashtra.